Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to block math results in the keyboard in iOS 18 on your iPhone or iPad. While this AI-powered feature is pretty handy for solving math problems instantly, it might not be for everyone. So, if you find it distracting or simply don't need it, I'll show you how to turn it off in just a few simple steps. That's it, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad and then choose the General option. After that, you have to scroll down a bit and choose the Keyboard option. And then you have to look for Math Results toggle and turn it off, and that's about it. Once you have successfully disabled the math results on your device, your keyboard will stop displaying math results in the suggestion bar. This keeps your typing experience free of distractions, especially if you are using your device for tasks unrelated to calculations. If you ever happen to change your mind and want to use the math results, just follow the same steps and then turn on the toggle right next to math results. It's that easy to customize your keyboard to fit your needs. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and I'll catch you up in the next one with more such handy tips and tricks. Take care. Bye-bye.